What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another banger. And today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low Light Smoke Gray. So this Air Jordan 1 Low was only released so far at a couple US retailers. It has dropped overseas, but as far as my research goes, I can only see that this shoe was released at Shoe Palace and East Bay. Other big name retailers like Champs, Foot Locker, Finish Line, and Foot Action have not yet received this shoe or have not released it up until this point, and neither has Nike.com or the sneakers app. Jordan 1 Lows seem to not have set release dates. They kind of just drop them on us here and there at certain select retailers. And that's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because, the shoes won't sell out immediately because not everyone's anticipating the release, but it's a bad thing because if you're not paying attention, you miss out. Now, in the next few upcoming weeks, this shoe probably will see a more general release to the public, so make sure you keep an eye out on your favorite retailer to see if they get this shoe in stock. But I can tell you one thing, Jordan brand has been killing it this year as far as Jordan 1 Lows. Pretty much everything that they've come out with this year has been absolute fire. You had the Gym Reds, you had the Shadows, the Nothing But Nets, and a slew of other releases that have come out and sold out fairly quickly. Whether you're a fan of the Jordan 1 Low or not, you cannot deny its popularity and the fact that there is a strong following for this shoe. So what we're going to do in today's video is I'm going to unbox these things, we're going to do a thorough review, I'm going to hit you with an on feet, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts on the Jordan 1 Low Light Smoke Gray. If this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. If you guys could do that thing that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. Guys, I have a lot of dope content on the way. I actually also have a giveaway coming up, so you definitely want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of these things I'm about to drop on you. So this year, Jordan brand has released the Light Smoke Gray in the OG High, the Mid, and now the Low. And they also released the Dior's too in that same color scheme. And all of those releases have sold out immediately and the resale prices have skyrocketed on all of them. So now they're hitting us with the Lows, which I think is a very strategic plan by Jordan brand because they've had so much success so far with the Light Smoke Gray colorway. Now Jordan 1 Lows typically don't have concrete release days. For whatever reason, I'm not really sure. It's a good thing and a bad thing. So if you're interested in this particular shoe that I have here today, you guys have to be on the lookout for when they drop more pairs at more retailers. This pair retails for $90, which is a super good price, considering that most shoes, no matter what brand, no matter what silhouette, goes for a lot more than that nowadays. So the silhouette and the dope colorway is definitely going to be a major selling point for you as a consumer. This year I've bought in so many Jordan 1 Lows because they just keep coming out with absolute fire with these things. And they keep surprising me with a new colorway that I just feel that I must have. Now I know the Jordan 1 Lows are not for everybody, and I've always kind of wondered why there's so much hate on the Jordan 1 Low, because they're actually also very popular. There's a lot of people who love them. But I was talking to some people recently and they said that, the Jordan 1 Lows used to be very uncomfortable. But over the past couple of years, I don't know if Jordan brand changed something in the shoe, but I think that they're super comfortable. Are they the most comfortable shoe in the world? No. But my feet definitely don't hurt and I feel comfortable walking around in them. I wear a Jordan 1 pretty much all the time, whether it's a low, a mid, or a high. So here we go. Here's the box. You got your standard black Jordan box with your gold Jumpman right here. And this is an Air Jordan 1 Low, Light Smoke Gray, Gym Red, White. And this is a size 8. Inside the box you have your white tissue paper with your gold 23. Bam! So my first impression right off the bat is this colorway is nice. It's a very classic look, very classy. And then just touching the materials, they do feel really nice and really well put together. I'm not seeing any glue stains or any bad threading or anything so far, which is a good sign. I do want to give an honorable mention to another Jordan 1 Low that I've really liked so far, and that is the Jordan 1 Low Shadow. I did change the laces to white on these, but guys, I really do love this shoe. So I mean, if you have either one of these, or if you have this one, you're probably really gonna like this one, right off the bat. And the resale prices on these have gone crazy too, man. Like I was looking these up and these are really expensive now. If you slept on these, you're gonna have to pay a couple extra bucks now, guys. But now that we have these things unboxed, let's go ahead and take an up close look at the Jordan 1 Low Light Smoke Gray. So here's our first up close look at the Air Jordan 1 Low Light Smoke Gray. So starting at the top, you're gonna have your gray leather, and you have a white mid panel, which is white leather, and then you're gonna have your black Nike check right there in the center. Then at the bottom, you have your white midsole on top of that black outsole, and then it wraps all the way around, and then you have that white tumbled leather right here. Now on the tongue, you have a black cloth tongue with a red Jumpman. This comes with black laces, and there's no 23 in the lace loop like on a lot of models that have come out this year. On the inside of the shoe, there's really no difference. It's pretty much the same as the other side. Now on the back of the shoe, you have your Air Jordan Wings logo in red that is stitched, and I really do think that this red is a really nice touch. Now inside the shoe, you have a black sock liner, and inside the shoe, you have a black Jordan Jumpman with a red insole. And then here behind the tongue, here's your tag. And then here on the bottom of the shoe, you have that all black outsole. And then in the center there, you have your Nike logo. So far, I really do like the shoe. The colorway is super clean. The materials used on this shoe are very high quality. And for a $90 price point, you can't really beat it. But let me go ahead and throw these things on and let's get into some on feet action. So the resale price on this shoe is already climbing. Depending upon size, I've seen these going for $160 to around $200. And if it's going to be anything like the Jordan 1 High, Light Smoke Gray, or the Mid, then this shoe is going to climb in value as well. However, I wouldn't go out and spend resale on these right now because there's still retailers that have not released them yet. So you still can get your hands on these for, a $90 retail price point. So I would just hold off for a few weeks and see, whenever they do release, nationally. And try to get yourself a pair of these if you want them. Now, if this is a limited shoe where there's not many pairs available, then the price of this shoe is going to escalate. So if you are out there trying to make a couple of bucks, you might want to, try to get your hands on a couple pairs of these for retail. But I got my pair so I could rock them. I'm not selling mine or anything like that. These are going in the collection with everything else that I got. But let me know what you think. What are your thoughts on the Jordan 1 Low Light Smoke Gray? Is this a cop or is this a pass for you? Is this something that you're interested in? Are you going to go after them? Let me know down in the comment section. I do appreciate you guys rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you could please destroy that like button for me if you haven't already. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.